Define your long and short-term investment goals and be clear about how much you're willing to invest. Educate yourself. Knowledge is key when it comes to real estate investment. Read books, attend seminars, and speak with experienced investors. Choose the right investment strategy. There are various real estate investment strategies to choose from, including rental properties, fix and flips, and commercial properties. Research the market. Research the local real estate market to find properties that match your investment goals. Look at zoning laws, property taxes, and neighborhood trends. Look for distressed properties. Distressed properties can offer significant savings, but they may require extensive renovations or repairs. Consider location. Location is critical when it comes to real estate investment. Invest in areas that are growing and have high demand for housing. Assess the risks. Real estate investment carries risks such as property damage, tenant problems, and market downturns. Assess the risks beforehand and come up with backup plans. Have a budget. Have a budget in place that covers all expenses associated with the investment property, including the purchase price, repairs, and maintenance costs. Network with professionals. Build relationships with real estate agents, brokers, contractors, and property managers to obtain expert advice and support. Monitor your investment. Regularly monitor your investment property to ensure that it's meeting your expectations and making a return. If necessary, consider making changes to improve its performance. Thanks for watching.